Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in today's lesson we will learn how to sort a data in Microsoft Excel. How to do just basic sorting. So guys, first we have to select the cells. Get it? So I'm selecting this row, this column from top to bottom, and after selecting just click on the home, and in home ribbon you'll see sort and filter in this editing group, and after clicking this one you can see just sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, and sort custom. So if you will click this sort smallest to largest, then the smallest data will come to the top and the lowest will go to the down. Like I'm clicking again, and here again this box will appear, and here you have to select, either you can expand your selection or you want to go with the current selection. After selecting this one, I'm clicking sort. So guys, as you can see, this it's sorted from low to high. Again, if you wanna keep it as high to low, again I'll select it, click on home button, and it's ribbon in this group. You'll see again just click this A Z to A, that means sort largest to smallest. I'll click on it and just click continue with the current selection and sort. As you can see the changes guys. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.